Today, we're going to be making a Junimo squishy from Stardew Valley. It's easy, quick, and lots of fun to make with items you probably have around your house. First step, you're going to be putting your balloon around your bottle cap, like this. Next, you're going to grab your flour and put it inside. You're going to keep putting flour in until it's full, like this. Now, you want to take the balloon off. Next, you're going to tie it up. It looks like a pear. Next, you're going to want to wrap a piece of tape around. Wrap it around here pretty tight. It might be a little tricky, and you might want to add a few more layers of tape. Next, with your markers, you're going to draw a little face. You could also add some arms. There! Now, it looks a little ugly, but how to get it in the shape of a Junimo is you're going to put it down and grab the stem and you're going to press down. And now, here is your own homemade Junimo from Stardew Valley fidget. Have fun!